Hoodies. (1081) Neck width, seam to seam. Measure straight across neck at high point of shoulder, seam to seam. Neckline and shoulder should be smoothed out to recover neck shape before measuring. 1049 Hood opening, 2-point. Measure straight from center front neck or hood seam to top of hood with opening relaxed or extended. 1047 Hood width, 4 inches down from top. At a specified distance down from the top of the hood, measure straight across from front edge to back edge. 1112 High chest position from high point shoulder. To determine the high chest position, measure down from high point of shoulder to the distance specified in the garment specification sheet, GSS. 1116 High back position from high point shoulder. To determine high back position, measure from high point of shoulder to the distance specified in the garment specification sheet, GSS.
1241348. Armhole depth from high point shoulder. Measure from the high point of shoulder to bottom of armhole or to the turning point distance specified in the GSS.
Chest 1 inch below armhole. At 1 inch below bottom of armhole, measure from edge to edge. If garment has pleats, measure with pleats open, or as specified on garment specification sheet, GSS. See general guidelines for garments with bust darts, shaping, or that are cut on the bias. 1258 Bottom opening straight. Measure straight at bottom of garment edge to edge with vents closed. On uneven hems, measure straight at the shortest hem. 1095 Shoulder width, seam to seam at front. Measure straight across front of garment from natural fold of shoulder at armhole, seam to seam. 1290 Sleeve length from center back. Determine center back neck point by measuring shoulder width and marking center point at neck seam or edge. Measure from this point to shoulder or armhole seam, then straight to bottom edge of cuff or sleeve. 1301 Sleeve opening. Measure across bottom edge of sleeve from edge to edge. 1338 Body length from high point shoulder. Measure from high point of shoulder at neckline to bottom edge of garment.